Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Having thin hair and hair fallout and split ends has been an issue with most of us. You must have tried different shampoos or other products to fight these issues. Today in this video, I will be sharing with you a remedy for long, thick, and healthy hair. It will also give you other benefits like a healthier scalp and shinier, softer hair. Without wasting any time, we're diving into the recipe of this hair mask and homemade shampoo. Number 1. Chickpea hair mask for thick and long hair. First, I'm making the hair mask. The ingredients you will need are chickpea flour, fenugreek powder, yogurt, and coconut oil. Take a clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Chickpea flour helps promote hair growth and makes the scalp healthy. It also balances the oil in the scalp and adds volume to the hair. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. I already ground some fenugreek into a fine powder. Fenugreek has high protein and nicotinic acid that help control hair fallout and dandruff. They are also helpful in controlling thinning and baldness of hair. Take 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt has proteins that promote hair strength. The lactic acid in yogurt cleanses the scalp and removes the dead skin. And about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix all these ingredients well until it turns into a smooth paste. Coconut oil is considered very useful for healthier and longer hair. It also adds shine and softness and fights dryness of your hair. Now apply this mask onto your hair, starting from your roots to the length of your hair. Massage well and make sure all your hair is covered in the mask. Also, you can double the quantity depending on the length of your hair. Just consider the ratio of ingredients used in this mask, and you can increase the quantity that is enough for your hair. After you're done applying this mask on your hair, tie it up in a bun and cover it. I am covering my hair with a shower cap. You can either use a shower cap or a towel. Keep this mask on for 20 minutes and then wash it off. You can use this mask once a week. You will have to use this mask consistently to see the desired results. The results will definitely blow your mind. This mask will not only clear your scalp, but will also help in making your hair grow long and thick. It will also help control split ends. Number 2. Chickpea hair shampoo for healthier hair. Secondly, I'm making a natural hair shampoo, hair rinse water, that will also give you benefits like shiny, healthy, smooth, and long hair. Take a cup of water and add 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour and mix it well. Make sure the flour is in fine powdered form and there are no clumps. After mixing it well, take 2 teaspoons of baby shampoo and mix it in. You can use any baby shampoo. After you're done mixing all the ingredients, the shampoo is now ready to use. Wash your hair with this shampoo after using that hair mask. You can also use it when you're not applying the mask. You can see my hair looks smooth and healthy after using this mask and shampoo. You can also try it and let me know how it worked out for you in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, share this video and stay tuned for more such remedies. Stay safe, stay blessed. Goodbye.